The 2003 Chevy Monte Carlo. The Chevy Monte Carlo comes nearly full circle back to its original mission with sportier chassis tuning, improved driving dynamics, and more power, while freshened interior and exterior styling offer a sculpted and pleasing contemporary appearance. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, rear defrost. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.